All right, how's it going? So look, today I'm going to make this scrambled egg with beef. This is a beautiful, beautiful, it's my favorite Ethiopian type breakfast. Regular type breakfast would not include the beef, it would just be the eggs. We're going to use onions, garlic and tomatoes. We're adding beef to this one, yeah, firm favorite. Serving this one with bread, also known as dabo, or you can see just on the left there's some injera if you want to use that. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. By the way, this is spicy. Okay, we're going straight in on this one today. I've got a pan here, quite a small one actually. About 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the corn oil. We're going to drop in our beef. Now I've got 500 grams or about a pound of beef, and I've cut it really quite small. So for about 4 to 5 minutes, just on a medium heat, we're going to fry this around. Okay, next up, 1 cup onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, salt, black pepper, and we're going to go on this medium heat for another 5 or so minutes, stirring every now and then. Really nice. Now, the reason we're only on a medium heat is because I really want to cook this beef to get it nice and tender. This isn't like a kind of nice frying steak. This is more of a stewing beef. So doing it slowly really helps it out. Okay, next step. Now you might want to skip this, but there's quite a lot of fresh chili there, like a tablespoon of fresh chili. You don't have to have that in there, but yeah, I think it's great. And then we're going to add 1 cup of tomato. That's kind of like 1 decent sized tomato. And we're going to go for another 5 or 6 minutes. We want those tomatoes to kind of really break down. We might even get some moisture from it, depending on the type of tomato you've used. But again, yeah, keep it nice and kind of mellow on the heat and stir often. So you can see those tomatoes have broken down nicely. I've just tasted a bit of the meat and it's nice and tender. So once you're confident that it's tender, it's then time for the eggs. I've got 6 eggs here that I've beaten. And we're going to just cook these eggs in there, mixing away. Now I like to do this kind of fairly well done. So yeah, you cook your eggs however you want, but yeah, I'm going well done here. And we've done it. This is really, really delicious, really fantastic eggs with beef. Like I say, really fabulous. Well, it's my favourite sort of Ethiopian style breakfast. And normally you wouldn't have the beef in this, it'd just be the eggs, onions, tomatoes and stuff. But yeah, we love this one at home, this fantastic, beautiful beef. See you in a minute. Yeah, I like it just about there. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt and pepper. It's going to be great for me. It's obviously going to have a real kind of spice to it from the chili. If you wanted, some people would put a little bit of kibe in there or Ethiopian spice butter. But yeah, not for me, just like that. Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. That's a beautiful breakfast for us in our house. Serving that with bread or dabo, as it's known. Or you can have injera if you want, but yeah, bread's really good. Beautiful, beautiful breakfast, lunch, or even, you know, evening meal. But yeah, love that one. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Amasaganalo. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.